In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your free Google account to Make.com effortlessly. No need to worry about having a Google Workspace account. Your regular Gmail account works just fine for this setup. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to log in to Make.com. Simply open your web browser and type in Make.com in the address bar. Once the web page loads, enter your login details if prompted. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but most of you should be able to proceed directly by logging in with your existing information. Once you're on the platform, you'll want to create a new scenario. On the Make.com interface, look for the option that says Create a new scenario and click on it. A scenario, in case you're unfamiliar, is basically a workflow that automates different tasks across your apps. And creating one is your first step to setting up this automation. After starting a new scenario, the next task is to add a Google app. You will see a plus sign, which signifies adding a new module. Click on that plus sign to open the options. Now you need to choose which Google app you'd like to connect. Popular options include Google Sheets, Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. For instance, if you want to automate tasks with spreadsheets, you would choose Google Sheets, but feel free to select any Google app based on your specific needs. Once you've added a Google app, a module dialog will open up. In this module, you should find an option labeled Create a Connection. Click on it to proceed. This is the part where Make.com will establish a connection with your Google account. At this stage, a Google login pop-up will appear. You'll be prompted to select your Google account, so go ahead and choose your regular Gmail account from the list. If your account isn't listed, you can add it manually by entering your login credentials. Rest assured, Make.com is simply trying to sync your account for smoother operation. After selecting your Gmail account, you'll need to allow permissions. The pop-up will request permissions specific to the module you're working with, such as access to your Google Sheets, Gmail, Drive, or Calendar. Click on Allow or Continue to grant these permissions. This step is crucial as it enables Make.com to automate tasks on your behalf. Once you've gone through these steps, your account will be successfully connected. This new connection opens up a world of automation possibilities. You could automate Google Sheets updates, send emails through Gmail, upload files to Drive, or even manage your calendar bookings seamlessly. And there you have it. Autoscore is a straightforward way to connect your free Google account to Make.com. With these connections, your productivity can skyrocket as you automate various tasks, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching and happy automating.